Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show how to build Teams AI Q&A bot using Microsoft Teams AI library. First, why Teams bot? Microsoft Teams is being used in almost every company. We use Microsoft Teams for chatting, meetings, and document sharing, and it has become part of our day-to-day activities at work. So a Teams bot is better than a separate chat bot because it works right inside Microsoft Teams, where employees already communicate and collaborate. This means no need to switch apps, and it integrates with company tools securely, saving time and improving productivity. Microsoft recently released a library for Teams app development, which is called Teams AI Library. So it has pre-built templates using which we can create the different types of Teams apps and bots. It has also support for prompt engineering with inbuilt prompts. It has inbuilt planning engine that converts user intent into actions. And also it supports multiple LLMs without changing the bot logic. Okay, now let's get into a demo. So before that, you need to install Microsoft Teams Toolkit using Visual Studio Installer. Bring your Visual Studio Installer and click on modify the Visual Studio instance that you installed into your machine. Go to individual components and search for Teams, so which will bring up the Microsoft Teams development tools. Make sure it is checked. If it is not, check this checkbox and continue, which will install the Microsoft Teams toolkit. Let's get into a demo. Let's bring the Visual Studio and click on create new project and select Microsoft Teams app. Click next, give a name to the project and click on create. And it shows the different project templates using which we can create different types of Teams apps or bots. So out of this, let me select chat with your data, so which helps us build a Teams bot that answers questions to the data that is related to company or personal data or anything. So this requires an AI search service. So we can use any other search services. So this, I'm going to use Azure AI search here. So it also requires LLM configuration and also an embedding model. Let me enter the required configuration settings. The LLM. So you need to deploy the LLM and the AI search service into Azure before creating this app. Okay, so now this creates the minimum code that is needed to run chatbot within Teams that can answer questions on your data. So so this project template has a default documents. So these are used as the personal data, the company data on which the bot answers to our questions. So the next step that we need to do is we need to create index, or that means we need to upload the document to our Azure AI search service and also create the index. So for that we need to run this command in PowerShell. So let me bring the PowerShell here and go to the project directory. Okay, that's uploaded and it created the index. Okay, that's it. Build the solution and we need to select Teams App Test Tool. So this Teams App Test Tool is a test tool that we can test our code. Usually the bot requires to be installed, and if we want to test the bot in local, we need to bring the Teams app that is installed in local, or the browser-based Teams app. So with the Teams app test tool, we don't need any of them. So this is a separate application that Microsoft introduced, using which we can test our code. Okay, so the tool is ready, and we can ask questions on our data. So this data is related to a company, dummy company, which is named as Contours Electronics. So this has information about the company overview, and also it has some plan benefits. Okay, let me ask the bot about the different plans and the benefits. Okay, so it gave the answer. Contours Electronics offers two health plans, Northwind Health Plus and Northwind Standard, and it summarized the plan details in three sentences. Let us see in the document whether it gave the right information or not. So the plan benefits, there are two plans, Northwind Health Plus and Northwind Standard. Yeah, so there are two plans, and also there is a price comparison. So let's ask about the price details. Okay, so it returned the price details, but in a textual format. Let's ask it to give in a tabular format. Cool. Now it returned the details in the table format. This is cool. How we can use our documents and build a bot to answer questions on our data. So I'm going to show that in my next video. Thank you.